ka onu mu story no awokam nyame adumti brofo no mitimi ka bi aha sa neti na yankoye kasa ne so ayame se ene nan ya na me da asabia ena ja me fa me telephone yi me hwe so a na me koto story na jiman eme se na bakosem no awokan se aye emotional blackmailing on maka bakosem bi atoto ho na yaya asantefo na nka yedi nkui ezanze ye no etete asante mem ho yesode adopa sebi enya do sebi abrawo ya mara yeni enya oyi sebi osikani bi anase enya okakraka bi ana obi ena todwiane emiedi nti obi asode ya okọ nnwuma so na wabano ho modin so obenya bi edi enya bia ne nabusia esoso edi nti obi a ni na bibia so kopemza mokofa baaye enya saade a ka obi ehunu se bibi koso na mobo opo na mukukuru chichireye amohihye enwuma ewo kokoom se mode ba bebo krobia asante kotoko yefiri na mode egunu onimu ase eno na ma ya asantefo ni ba ye honre sese ase kekeka no adoso ase enase echina se adichi ese kaide yedi yankwe ne nansa bokotwe besum betui ahonti na sese bi ye pani sibere na se yebebu aso ebuaso yebe bato atwena na ya bato atwene ba bi yebeto bia ye mpoyem eno na ma ye bemu na kamisi we metamba abro pikadili na mjena ka wo se bi otu we minimum wo na meno wa beka ayibibia fa unkonya sam wo na akwachichi bai na wo de bai ye de na se na internet bibia fa ne cyber wall na abawiase na niema edu atwira ntwe ne nkora enyini free asase ekonyina won mu nyina ni dane bibi obroni fra no se internet ye nyansa pafidie eno na won mu nyina gusunti na wo se wonsem a mode egu ofri tete ana ye mfie no eyiyi ano enya sadachi ye mom ti sade ne mom nkora ebremu mu no sa na dachi yenso ye maba bebremu ye isase yesoso ye defend ye ho bencher bo na nan sebi enya do sebi abrawo asanteman enye obakofo no nwene ye sebi enya do sebi abrawo sene ententa obo sora onwene si a otimi gya ho no obi abeto aso sa na asantema ye nyina ye dia na obi asoso entata obi a na mkrofo obi ewo mu na aso de pese enwu ye on kese na sebi baby ye nwene kuntunu kosi ye opese wosane abesi ase na ya hwe ma ne nsane mesi ase nti nanie sene etibia wose echim ne nsafa no wachi na yaje na ya nwene si sene ebe popa na ya de ato nchidima ho on my emotional blackmailing every tete eno my sa anima eno mu emotional ene quote unquote kase bi aba e fa ni se emfantifo ayam se de bia obekbidi abakosim bi ene nansa historia na agima me ba wo ba na me sebi enya do sebi abrawo mi kunu ya oyem hunam kani waka kire me se sebi wonsem fata semi do mfo nyini ebeto me nwumadi esu bi o sase nkontompo a wodie no emu onwono enwono pa se betim edua ntima me fa nto nti na me mfa nto na so me bo odin na mo nkontompo nti wodin ade antena ha obi animudin ti me ba wo ba enane nansa body wo video bi to ho say all infantis comes from a bone. Every way there, obi amamo kwa mo ntwantoro ne bio. Ye jato ache. Mo sare a mo bo date. Say 1300 and infantifo efiri ebono manso. Ya mo kan se. Nana tachifiri. Aye nana saman. Ne ba na se ne se wa. Ene nana me ya wasase. Ana sabi wotu batano e bofo ena okochichire tano boase ehode eye no kore won na chichire tano boase wonu ni nuaba ena okohunu tano ye tano bosom eye no kore onu a na chichire bia ya ye fen atua bodom asase a ye fen tachiman eye tachifiri na asase a na edidwa ho eye no kore obi anim saa nneɛma na emom abakɔse mɛkyerɛ sɛ tachi free papa ɛne nana saman no ɛnyɛ no korɛ moya na mode saa abakɔsɛm no abɛhyɛ hɔ early 1700 ɛna tachi mahina na saa abere no wɔ hɔ na kwakye amia wɔtoo ne nsa de frɛ tuabɔdɔm ɛne tanoboase wɔn yɛ nuanom sɛ wɔbɔ wɔnom ne kontire ɛna ɔbɔ kontira konya ɛna ɔde ma wɔnom ɛne nti tuabɔdɔm ne tanoboase di kontire ɛwɔ ne baabi ɛfɛ tachiman ne wɔfa ɛne amowi na kasa ne nyɛ mu no makeka bakɔsɛm na amana besie ni pɛpɛpɛ te sɛ ɛyɛ no korɛ sɛ na tachi firi mfira amowi na so mo se na tachi firi amowi ɛna mo Margaret ba ye firi ɔka ho bi ɛna mo kyerɛ sɛ wɔno ɔba apene na so ɛnyɛ no korɛ na mom no sɛ impo ɔyɛ no korɛ na tachi firi sebia nyaado sebia konto ye beji atum se ye no kore tena tachi firi ne papa ene nana saman ti ye atum se ne papa nana saman ya yukuni ye atum ena ne maame ne hwan ne maame ye die ni aduana ni okay ye atum ehefo nana ne maame no ofiri ekuro be so no tachi firi maame firi tachi firi maame ekuro be so na ofiri ana nana asaman a sabre no wakonka bro maso o ware no no tikrobe mu we just want to know as I say definitely person mo kire say nana asaman no ye bro manso hene ye na bro manso no kro no ehye baabi a efe no nkranza ne ye kro ketewa wo wade nana tachi firi maame eti nana asaman no ye bro manso hene ne ba nana tachi firi ye pese ye bedi wo ho akine yenti ye bisa say nana tachi firi maame ehe na no ofiri na sia wo nana tachi firi ansa nana tachi firi be chechire baabi e fe nta no boase na se ansa na okọ chechire baabi e fe ntwe abodom ene tachi man ne maame firi hin na se ayiri nyina akora ye agi atuma bon tofa se ye ne kore ye mpese ye bedi ho akini ya kanfo ye di nade chese oba ni fira busuam nana tachi firi kwa ware no ene one ne nana sama kwa ware no ne wo nana tachi firi eti one ne wo nana tachi firi ni nua ya fa ne saa eti sesia no ekwa ba su bio ena tua bodom one tado boase onu pay allegiance to tachi mai ekwa ba su because edi nade eni agade yedi nade ye ni agade but even upon all this history ye force no si e pese ya awodom with all this history say e no krompo a still a ye ni agade edi nade so obema bia papa ntimi ni ne bade menye yi papa ontimi ni ne bade menye yi because ya kanfo bibia ya akwa bia no akoye na side anything na be unse twa bodom ta no boase eye duanafo na wo manso a 1740 under the power of Opokuware ebe chichire kokufiri ekuro ede ye achedie de man ta no boase ese nyamerewa ya omode boa me kwa akunti ede ta no ta akwasi ni ta kwa bena ede kwa dinkra wonti ni ya wodo asase no ene de mata no boase ni nwia ba eti tachi man ewumse na tachi efi na chechere ye na so akodi asore ye konka no emebi koka ho ema se kro no 1740 nana ye chechere sa tachi man na already na Opokuware edi asase no amata no boase ni nwia ba ya ye de won ko menhia woni boa yam enwia ba no ye yakuni ye ne koma asante hema sabre no won ko na ta no bo no ase ene kofitoye tano ta akwasi tano ma ne ta kwabena ene buwa otufo Opokuware otufo kwabena asibebo nsu ema ne ku jama akon ye fa honto dabia mukasa asemi semfantifo fidi bromaso enye ne kura da despite say misuwe ne na kanya da me hu ehye da family na so enye ne kura enne obi a wo central region bia enipa wodo na azum nkrofo ni nyina so mo ye mfantifo most of the people that migrated to the so-called political central region, most of the people, nipa bebre noa, I refer to Uncle say a infanteful. Meboa, ona wuti me. Naso so, wuko, baby and a central region one. Na no bi me ka asem bi ama wo kwapimini boy bi wo be comment wase se akwapim kasa enye twi ene guan fraye na mfante kasa so nye saa hwe lack of knowledge man people perish me kasi su bio ne e de akere wo se ekuro no ne ye fra ho man kasi mu no ya oduman koma ada pagan osono onu djuru se ekuro mu ho se ekuro no na ne din pa ede asetifu yefo krofo anete so no onu din ede asetifu ye omo ne na from asetifo omo nya krofo bi ya no wo mu gya wo mu tinyi bebre asetifu yefo na saw asetifu yefo yi eye nkrofo a ye ka wo mu ka busuaku a wo mu ye goan ne ho bi na nkrofo bi ye wasafo na wasafo ni nyina magreti Efra dance. Next one there. History have distorted to the sense. You can't even debate again. History for centuries have been distorted in the purpose of supremacy, in the purpose of distortion and hatred. Etienne obiele ni wa wetimi a conjoint history anymore. Nankrofo di kan ne sankrofo from asetefo no kokoye eye wasafo. Wasafo na di kan no mkokonye emedin ni firi asote yefo ebe ye adoejere eti all this while efe na adoejere until 1700 and above enne ye kama nkasimo asemo a enne kura aba etimi backdate date 1300 so 1300 no no free efe ne say ekuro ya efe ne bromanso ebe sin kwachechire baby efe ne mankasim ya oduman koma apedejai and our son ekwachechire. It is never true. It was even above 1700 ya call mansokon. That was when the migration started. Na die tieni abra wasafo no omkokon ye wasafo bi tena ho ewo baby en efe ho no mankasim edi no ye asetifu yefo asetifu efo yefo ye guanfo na eye dominated na omote ho eti medical ka kire se enkrofo from Unibafo omo kasa omo ka omo ye guan omo nya. How you think they are not even prepared as an account people. Ahutu aye guan, senya aye guan, afutu aye guan, asete aye guan, eba winiba oye guan. Enkrofo na net ho, they are guan people. They are the first settlers. Minya kada kopi mi wudabu. Eho ena wasafo no mkokon ye no mkokon ka asetifu yefu yi ena won mkodi ono so no mo se di ni firi asetifu ye no edidi ni beto adoejere ena ye nua no so magreti ye na oso no apetejan ena efe ne say odumakoma omo so ko ayo mo no wasafo yi kokon ye ena ye se di ni ye no oman kasiem mankasim oman kasiem. So basically, language na wasaka no is it different from language and crofo ye fra wonum mfantefo ka language akuapemfo ka no is it different from language wasafo ka language na bunofo ne ka no is it different from language this mentioned eka because language no was proper treaty say ye de no but migration and crofo na dikan ati baby and fra honum bro region no eye guanfo sisala ni gonjes ena so many people are no mo ye yagifo. They are all guan relatives ansa na kanfo ni magreti akọchechire baby efe ne broma so yo mo ye duanafo ye ya berwa bunu nyankopon ni nia ba berwa bunu onom abusuafo ena onom magreti kọchechire broma so ansa na early 1450 ena omkoye 1555 ena yukufu betu hye won so ya na nasa ama ni nia ba anom konka won ena yukufu be di ade ho. But here becomes Whenever ye can bro man so abako sembia, they backdated the date 1200. It is never true. A bro man so for the early settlers was a Giana for Abroa Bono was it Abroa Bono Maiso. Abroa Bono Maiso. And if you care to know, call a Giana for Abakosemu. If you do not even believe me, call a Giana for Abakosemu. Na kwashe shese. One and your friend Abroabono, and the Abroabono Yankopon, or me a Giana for an anum, and Giana for so near first settlers, or much a maso, 1450, and much a maso. They migrated from Sumia Santa Maso, and son of 1550, 1575. Ayokofua, or Nusufra Dancy Bejum, no better na Kokofu, never better na Kwamine, and Margaretti, the let's, and Uncotisha almost. Because honey, there was a lot of money in those areas. Benaba kwasem ni nyina sesa onipa bia no wa nature obetimi afri cave maba. They migrated and they passed through the cave. Yeah, found a Mowi cave. So the connection between the Mowi cave, what is now a fence of fence, and look at the migration now. One no ne kwa ibi baby could just offer the same offense and son were back the southern part. But they are still lying. They are still lying. Nadia Bakwa and Peso Shannon say. Baby and yakasem fantifo for the bone fund, and you know crack. And Crawford no more tip home, or munina ye guan for. Et your nanny nina qua, ye won't Crawford from guan fantifo. Guan fantifo no, ebini winiba, ebini bretu, ebini senya, ebini a futu, asete, or munina ye guan fantifo, they are not a cans. Or no net to walk a name. And son and Crawford, Omudi can't call Mancasib na 17, 11, 17, 12, 17, 13, or more course upon more. As when it me cast 1200 yina. Yet me boak 1200, they be crab boak 1100. So Satam no more great. What a lie! What a lie! Nasa Crawford young Kofuko ba cope. Yom call Mancasimono. Ebino free. Touchy free, I say. Nana touchy free, nase. Ye krono ene meno kaseng wonum pa busia fie eye kura fe no tuabodom ene tanoboasia e wo bebe ene fe political bro region wo massifo the late descendant ye wo ye die na most of that this year wonum ko ye no omo ye achia abradefo omo nya ayo adechenafo mankasim nasem na meken etu kwa de be expose ya tro mu die no adehye no mo no ade adehyenafo anase most of them ade achia bradefo eti wonu no ana na omukura sa nyamerewa no sa abosom no na sa nkrofo yi eye da letu nkrofo ye fro mu kokufirifo ena ye won nkrofo na ono so ye kwamafo no mo ye adehyenafo komankasimu nne ko ya wankasa o personal research kwa musuaku omu wo mankasim ubenya atwe abradefo ubenya adehyenafo omufiri kwaman na omufiri no eye Kumase kwaman was Kumase ena Margaret ye ena omu nyina koye ena omu ne wasafo kokon ye no mu konka wasafo no because they are warriors until wonum ewo bibi efe asafo. Asafono is a combination of Asa warriors. And then because of sudden they were powerful warriors. It was Asafo for no more identification of first a flag, a chest we are warriors. Tomuko Pomu Hono, nobody was able to conquer them. Nobody was able to conquer and profit from Mankasim for. Eti ye wana sunafo bi so. Ye onum so free baby a fra ene adanse kokobi anteni akrofuom na ebi betena ofenso ebi kwatena dwoso ebi kwatena besiase ebi kwatena tebubu ebi betena manso sa krofukro bi group ane nkrofo a na ono so ya dechinafo ane nkrofo a ono so ya kwanafo ya ikoro mu firi adanse efe ne sei akwanafo mewurafi wono so firi adanse ane omo ne sa nkrofo nyina anya so omu bom baako Margaret ya no mkohia baby and ye fro honom ogwa wonso ayaguanfo na net ho enkrofo na tisa ogwa ho eye enkrofo aye from afutufo na net ogwa afutufo na ti ogwa na nam se ne ntokwa hudo bebere ewo baby enne politically ya fro honom
southern part southern part any friend say the middle belt of the southern part na entokwa hudo bebre wo sam potam ho eti nananum bebre magreti no ono mo ko baby e na ho ye mpona no ho. They are not from Bono. They are from various clans. To be one son for. Oba who adesina for. Oba who atria brade for. Oba who one so from man enough for angona for a fence agona for e an enough for. Oba who enkrofo e from chedanfo e omo ya bretu for. Onu nyina magreti from a dance. Woko man so a bro man so. Did they have this? They don't have it. Purposely, it was a Guyana for. You have actually brother for and a church man so and sana you could take over, but they have changed history. They have made a lot of things. Yeah, more I can't afford baby much money, mom, so they are claiming ownership, lies and falsehood. And almost migrated call. No more call him and not Sabden war near Fenanamanqua, early 2017, 25. Anything, and ya can't afford a D can who are brofo, and your guans for. A foot to four particular, and one more Zim area ho, and the D can who from a brofo 1400. One more tonight, you could try and son I can't afford by arriving. And no one was so coy, Sabin. Nana futuno. Now a war. Now, who be a nasa walker ha near Fenna Nagua. Now, on no cook who say a po. Nidaho. Now ship be so to what so many months. And son eba see a you ho a beton. Nadia bako so shani son say. Ogwai nana a futu. And now unquota na wope. Now the man for koyin quota or mo de ba guan casamuno egua echile drum or mo de be egua no ho. Nana futu catcher or say. Nana man kwa futu in a catcher or say. Woman didn't cut on a bar, woman kura cotton will be a hand cotton crabba. It's your man and foot to annoy guani or your footini. A na him fear for the foot and what the baby a domino for the guac and then you guan neck. But there was a conquer. Crawford the conquer woman on me a typical account for you will free the southern male bed. Ye be free qua mine. Every free a dancia crocare. Every free dancy bedroom. Every fra dancy a cocobiante, on munina coy, a cotosa ayi, one for ye etusha one so. Anna, I did anybody, the typical account people know, or money from Boca and Fantifo. Two man Casimua, Bocam Fantifo, Woko Guaya, ye kept Cusna, Bocam Fantifo, Sotpon, Bocam Fantifo, no marbo, Bocam Fantifo, one more ya guam Fantifo. Into omuko yen omukaso omuka eminu mienu nyina atwibia na omukwa to won mu no omse fa wei ente ene etimi ka se efa ete won mu ho no efa ete won mu ho no obi kra ka se ayu omoye ayu kufo adehifo ena uko the typical 5 states of the infante no a ye wa twa abradefo wom ye wo adehenafo wom adehenafo de breko ne ko bi sa omo firi kwa aman kumase. Additional for baby have changed history. Additional billion you wa obeshia no be catch or say. Nina no catch and say omu furu buno manso. Additional for baby free. Kwa man ya na ekumase. And ya wo wonum so omu ya chia bradefo a omu free chia bodom ne tano boase. Ene tachi man. Nana tachi free kuro. Enye ebuno manso. Ebuno manso e won koranza. Ye ni wo mu bi omu free buno manso magreti ko ho. Yan Samlebio. After even the 5 state of Yan Yamu Fantifo from Bukam Fantifo, only a mixture of young Yabusia for you move through various account states and Omokoye. But now, a certain group of people they are seeking for attention everywhere. They are seeking for sympathy from everywhere. They are lying and distorting history from century about 20 years ago. And from my info so everyone is distorting history in their favor for supremacy. I say, and Fantifo in every bone. In what history? Fantinia was so free kwa mine, a quan bear soon of free bone. And Fantinia, yeah, in Swanafo, I had no free bone. And Fantinia, yeah, Chidani, a quan bear soon of us free bone. Chidani was so free bone. Fantini a oya chidani a ni nua ne mampon. Ya omu nyina ti ene mampon hene. Ya omu ya abre omu atwedanfo e bre omu tuoto. Se ye mamu ntutuo e bre mu tuoto ni bre tu. Atwedanfo e kwa be so no mo fa so omu ye mfantefo. Fantini a oya anono ni e kwa be so no fa so firi bono. Ananofo ifra danse akensan eni abretufo ye atwedanfo na neto. E kwa be so you are distorting history. But at the amount asesano, the root factor amount asesano. Eye yebusu ekono. It keep exposing your lies every time. Na expose munso amunti minkahe. Because that is the fact. Abusu eko bi obabi o Margaret Filbaye. Enti ye dey enna sebi aduanafo enna na aberewa bunu Nyankopon. Akwachichire aberewa bunu ne maiso. Ne mo pesa mo ka kire ya kanfo yi nyina nana. They have genuine places at the Margaret from by. Na more lying, all because you want to seek attention and favor and support from other account group to again one and another. This is the reason why we need to expose all of you. This is the typical reason why we need to be conscious of your lies and distortions. Nancy Kurabante bikasa or say achimfo efid bono. Achimfo achimmonia wahene. Achima buakwa oyasunani. Ne nana abrewa dokuwa. Ene nananom kuntun kurunkunum. Omo nananu bi nana yebuanum. Onum nyina fikura efeno. Kokobiante adanse. Kokobiante. Abuno ontra hoda. Wanfa umpo. Omo migration nyina wanfa ho. Oni pe ne obefa political bro region. Eye atebubu. Atebubu firi adanse kokobiante. Ne wafa. Ene achimabu akwa hene ne wofa ene wofenso hene ne wofa ene ebesia se hene ne nia ene dwoso ne nia ne manso nkwanta ne nia ene ekura fere ogwai wonum ene Margaret ye ene omo ebetna asante asaman aguna asaman womo na tira asaman ne atakofram ekun tokwa wie no mu twaye no betna ba bi omo tie no a ye fro atia bebu okuro ene mwa chatura etim kasate bukura ye bono na ka obi amiana no na ba bia mu katro no kro no se ya nhyase ama ye mane ye nana no so ahu setro na mudia ebeto bidibi abakosem ni nyina ebe ye tro in your favor but intisa enti ama na nyesa anetimi nyanom ani adofonom na Mr. Historian Ajiman, stop your flattering and stop your lies and distortions. So with the seeking sympathy from Infantefo, and now call the central region. Akrabiankas will be for central also Infantini. But here it comes. Oba seen for no. Baby a seen for anything and I go for assassin. Of course. I seen for any be every gaso. Gaso money a consulted for. A consulted for I say a consulted for free gaso. Gaso and no mufidi. I'm more therefore every a friend say a friend say Santi Atimone biaya fra honum a friend say a boise kwan so and a simple menu for a sufidi a dance and one betna baby and a fra honum a boise area ho niasa kobium as in cruciafo one bebre na free biaya ya bretu for area and a sin ye for area and no Margaret ye asin fosufo bebrenala efribiaya enne umu wono no ebi eye ayi bremafo ebi soso eye enkrofo onum firi asuna busuafo onum so firi kokobiante na Margaret no mkotena ho eso ne obi e kan asemo they want to just twist it no wa ye busuako me na busuako no ba bi o nananom din e be expose wo mo no o ma ye firim na they begin to lie. Na dia ba ko se ne so ne se asin state ni nyina asin kuhia ofresum nya santemai so e no mbese kwotena eye ebi mu ko nya no ade e na ebi mu ko asama kase e na ebi mu ko asama afamufie wono eye sum nya santemai so ni asin kuhia eso na they want to distort history e na wo hwe e fa ne se asin fosun mu nyina asantefo Brahma Sekuma asantini ofri Brahma heya e no Margaret koye Brahma Sekuma ya santini. ofri bremai kumi ya eno Margaret koye wako no kon eno otimi ekon ka eno chichi ne kuro na ade ba ko se hye ne so ne se wo hwe Aguna state ne so Aguna nye kuro ofri kwaman kumase kwaman won mase afri kontase kontenase eno mase firi but these people are claiming wo hwe danchafo a yei danchafo ye free e fa ne say adanse ahinsan ye ne abretu for the to ane ye Margaret ye ne mu betna bogisa ho ane ye befa ekura e fa ne ye nkyere ha na ye nkyere anya bunu ye nkyere ha ya omudi ni bosofo ya tena ho ansa ne ye besi ye betwam ne ye kotena twefo ye gi twefo ane ye ba dwukwai dunkwai wo fen ane ye ko de nkyere entokwanko ane ye ko ye entokwanko ane ye ko ye ye bu bi ane besen ekotena adanse eba asante achimagogo achimkotoku obetena bia ye efre no jadam ana wode ebesesene ekote banka onmu enkrofo bi no kwachi asante eye bia efre no achimkotoku achimbosomi firi asante memu ha efri asante memu ha ti atro ben na nipa so do orumudie sankrofo we nyina ye triangle migration and resettlement etimentia se no bi be so de afini kataso na wabeka se ne obi enkwantefo firi bunu ewo edi abakosemu old man kuma apedejan wasono wonu ye kwaku firi asefo na ne kwaku firi na asefo ne sankrofo on fitwa bodom ene tano boase ena ba bi efe ntachima no ebunu ni be no ye wodi even quote on quote yaka so omoye onsa mankasimfo no wonu mo ye yan fanse quote on quote omoye bonofo wodi yan fa sa okọ mankasimu a ye won kura wodo bebre hye mankasimu a obi ye ayi adehyenafo mu afiri kwaman kumase ebi efra dance bonabon asonafo eni ti wo pa kire sei how many percentage ana ekwaku firi asefo eto we bu kamfantefo no a wo mo te sei ye nia ye yankrofo we nkrofo no Margaret ye ana wo mko epona no ana wo kote omko akote ene guanfo no ere ko papa so eti ukwa guanfo no ye from guanfante no omo na sase no original ye omo dia to omo kasa na be fra asante no anasa twi property kasa no ana guanfo na aka se efa we yinte this half do not understand our language and akoba se efa ti wo mu free bromaso se efa ati wo ho ana koye de na ye mfante na anya mfante ho ana koye de na ye mfante na anya mfante ho so aye efan inte this half or these people do not understand because of one dominated language and was as so dada. Since when are we going to sit aloof and enable people with a distorted brain when we record the whole lot of falsehood and fabrication stories retelling to our generation for how long? Any better now home. Infantini ye the 5 state no mabo short pong ogwa aye fen say mankasim ena elimina aye migrations of proper kwamafo bantemafo ya gonafo ye ya ananofo to call elimina ye wananofo mu firi bantema ene ye wo adehyenafo mu firi kumase kwaman baby and efa ho kwaman no kumase na ye kwaman no ena most of them ya senafo no mu fira mukom ena bi ya sunafo no mu fira safo ena ye de wo ko ho but early settlers no mu di kan kwa elimina no most of them was adehyenafo yo mu koto enkrofo a basically no mo se aguanfo a no mo te sa apon mu. So for how long are we going to sit down and many part of what time beto aniafo a ye free moja bakum all because of they want to claim ownership over them 74 year abunofo abrante sa. For how long are we going to sit aloof and close our eyes say betna say ama ayankrofo akremu anyama entesa no ma seek support na ye yankasa ye no wo mo yabusua no ye no ma ba ya atamfo. For how long? Why is Nananum sitting down without talking? Or they don't know. Could it be said Nananum biwa and I'm said na this ikatom konya na nem konya bebre na Nananum binumu de prema edi any dressing see a be pie yase Any sasinti, a woman in one mabacosima domunconya home. Any one baby on Magreticoe, Neseka omunimua, Kakomuhene, and Mecase. Doma ay natakakara. Kachifo, I hine metrabon tene, and Mecase biana phone in Efrecom. Na akomuni penyini, a kwa beso. Yasha komu dynasty noa. Anta sile ku otoso miensa. Tamben na komu dynasty no. First on here odi kan abedi ade. Wa kwa we nyame na mehwe. Eye 1660 1670. Nani akom na so odi o small boy kora wa kan afo nim. Odi o ye ketekete mampore e wa kan afo nim. You see the lies. One nanom 1100 no mba tu nya santimaso. But because you want to claim supremacy, you just want to change every history in your favor because what has antiquity here. But Santino abeda so 1680 no. Ka say na wona nanom nkuro etitim krom. Ansa na yebe yede DB sa betu bibi so aye na osenti. Enti sabi anya do sabi abra mesu wei. Mesesa me di ansesa me age. Ansesa manim. Ansesa me nipadua. You have tried every possible to impress and then class asante yakwara. But muna mo yankwara. Enkro ne won santenim no, emu na mo frifri baye, adanse, amansie, kwa bere, atwoma emu na mo magreti frifri koye. Emu na mo might, especially adanse and amansie. Because nananum free adanse no mbechechira amansie. Emu na mo free ya mu nyina mo kwachechire mu nkuru. But still mu chatro. Mu chatro. Na dear bako minua me assure won say at the end of this year nananum na sorry nananum na net ho efitete na sorry say wonum papa won mabusuemu bio. They will make sure to build their family together. They will make sure to bring their cord, their umbrella cord. They will make sure to connect them together. Eti mu my busy more distorted history. Somebody better divide and rule attention and purposes. And I can't phone you free bono. I brought you the in what language? In what language? Wasa. And he no di can't quite tonight. Go off wasa so maybe an FN man casimono. I wanna wasa quite tonight. O call a yana 4 call baby and there. Your friend bro man so I walk on Kranza inside no. Woman and not all my dominati. Oh baby and cool middle best and FN on northern region. Woman and not dominati all. And you're going for an netto. And you go for an netto. So your language was penetrated by the one language. Bible patcher say a property, you know, and the momo can, which is lie. Equiapim is going. The typical example is a Equiapim language. Equiapim ye guani. Omukaka se bit say Chirepon Casa. Nanieti and what is Akasan sounded some fante, a sounded sawasa, a sounded sabuno, a because of property and now, or for the penny more, a chima bokan moka, na messy one dear, a messy one language, a better almost secure from a com, now for the penny in the offer, I do almost was suffering. It's now that sound of sound, no, what is Sakasa, that accent. Yeah, no was a phone in the epe. Because was a phone, a go for a certifu year for an to, and no more cocoon, and no more day, a certifu year cool bear, Adwa Jerick. Until, sir, one more free medal bets, qua mine, a dancer crocale, bonabon, and one more free, cocoa flashy for one cheer bottom the town of water for, so Margaret, common cocoon, your mother too, or my casino. After young hair, and crofwa, your fromo, and net was a four, show casa. Shekuapim kasa na he baby a bonnet kasa ho a penetration of one language. With the proper chi is the can. But these people have make every possible means to lie. It's say I can't kasa be mu in what interpretation of what qua language and a kasa bono HPC. Lies, distortions, hallucinating. Imagination was falsehood. And ye casampo, ye were bono, set bibia emu dore. Bibia emu dore. Ye were bunu, bibia emu aye pika. Pika, kwa ye bunu nim, kwa ya aye pika. Ani esawo ekwani efa so kase. Bronon chese. Baby a obedura obenya ensisuo ye nipa te ho eye bronon. Eni ti mo simu kenyina ya toro. Typical lies. And then Oko Central Regional. There's some migrations of a friend say a lot of people, different migration and different places. Ye ni na bebre ne ye ne baby e for santime mu no. It's only about 3% out of total population in the free koku fidase. Ye twa bodom ne tano boase. So, Mr. Historian Ajimai, come again with your false history. There be a woodman kuma. Ada pejan or sono. Adie omutimi ba na 1200. 1200, excuse me. Na go for no promote na hoda mbe ya oka 1200. They started migration after 1700. After 1700. They said na no na make say azimfo nyina efiri bompata. Ya branche bi bedi matem ha. Na say ya Captain Smart kwotwe brafo okwa azimfo empanimfo ho. Omo confirm so omo firi bompata. Kumasi bompata ya. Eso encourage me kasa azim e wo 1100. Na azim ni akora ono nanum firi bantema. Bompata no onu dia santefo atem. Wona nanum ana wucho madapa. Eniti na wunye yedan. Eniti na wakwan nyina sisi no. History is very important. So won abakotam a wunye nhira. Won kasa ntia wo nananum. Se wonim baby anananum fida. Na ukoto se ye ka ade a ye nkonwasem asasesem migration sem a eya kon no tum se ne be ya wonkoti wo nananom entankese ene kura ba kanene yesi ene mumu breso wo hia wo waama wojuru ho wonti ase agochire wo waama chese nomia doso an wo because mo nananom baby o migrate feed by na wa na mudi wo matem to wo. And that has been the problem all this while. That has been the problem all this while. Mon sole mpenifo mon sare na atro na ekoso it will be so much hard. Sasa mon sore na mon di bonke this lies media ebeto bibi meka manu ato because me ni obi akonwa bi ana me ni obi aso ento na sase nchemu ni. So I think it said womo de niam bibire Google internet ne so. Yeah, is a misleading. Makachire nipa wodo se monhwe yie ene sa atro de Google internet ne so no. Esa se atro konkronkron no kura bi enim. Enenne enkrophobia so ko imaginable enkrophobia exist. Na eni ho na bi ma da se bonofo. Who are the bonofo? Aduanafo nana na efe na berwa bono. Se wo se mebo afa kosua podua enche me ma wonansa obewu. Omuna omkwa cheze aboro apono ne manso eye kuro abusua kuo bi na firimu ekura na wobunu region na afiro mu kuro obi a woni kuro obi a woni migration adana mu kremu ne eni ho mudua bi a mabobia ebe hyase anyam mako mu be wu mako because de mu kanyina nananum nsuo ene asase ene tano kase ye wurata no e pacho wa bawa mechiawo ebenya mu nyina. So, esa se, esimo muka ni nyina nte sa. Wokọ bon region mu a, enne ye kremu na bonofo na wama na ye bonofo. Hwe ade a ye de trezi abusuaku, eya konwa baako, enipakuo mienu, na asase ne migration no. Eniti, for example, wokọ nkrofo from Doma Kese. Doma Kese, otofo se tu no ofan Doma Kese. Doma Kese ni nua na isuta. Ni nyano rawara ni nyano kontanase de ofiri omene krofo bi omo waburi efe na atesenefo omo nyina ya busua ba ko firi moja ba ko na ba ko asen mu akwa ba so na wo kire se wonu Doma Kese eye bunu be otufo se ti we asantini. Are you sick in the head? Are you sick in the head? Anaka se Doma Kese ye bunu ni be nsuta ya asantini. Are you sick in your skull? Huh? Doma Kese ofri kontinase. Ninya ene ensuta. Ninya no wura. Ekuro bi wo bude fe na tesene. Wo mu nya no wo mu. One more any be na call baby ayi a friend say your friend ho bawole some crofo nyina afiri moja baako they are one family members ye onum ekuro pon mo chekere kase yi nsuta wo sa ba be ka kire me say wo to ho won fiefo aye bonfo won fiefo afiri adanse your friend say ahansan ye firi ho ye mu bi tena baby e fro ho nom bojesa ngo ansa ne kwakọ tena baby e friend ye nkyere hare ye na o man nkyara omudi ye bosofo ye nkyere hare ana ye mu bi besen ko de nkyara ensem asisi ye ne ahini ensensem ene hayo ye mu bi sa Margaret ye wokodu nkwa ye mu bi wo ho dukwa ye mu bi wo ho okọ ofin ye mu bi wo ho wo besen ko chechewale ye mu bi wo ho wo besen ba wanim ekọ ayi tafo ye mu bi wo ho ya tene asie nimpon baabi bebere ye wo ho ane ayi efe ne say adwoso ayachena ye mu bi wo ho saa na wo besi kokotoku ye mu bi wo ho wo ko odan achimodan ye mu bi wo ho na wa besina baba bi na efe no wamfie ye nananum bi na bekekere ye ade ansam na mo keka ne bodam sem saa no ha ti dankyera aye dankyera na wam ye bono abra woni wobunu nani ho wam free dankyera na obetena bantema wo sa sore na wo kansem hunu na bonho am ne bonfo no ye ni bibia ye onipadin ye ni bibia efe ne bonfo ba bia it is never true ye wo kura chekere ya ya berwa bonne maso eso kura ikura ayokofo be defeat mu eti basically na kwachi am you understand from 1450 nyina ayokofo na di adia be pemre so ane won krofo so a brekumfo omudi aya sokore domtene na brekum de ma ba ye nsa ha de obransa na wokum eso mo twatoro so mo ne domafo kono mo safe de abrem kunkum ye dabi onum ko na mwa wo asase ne so na so be so okum bia obre na nanom na natia ne no wofase amankurade ewu ne ne nua manom onum nyina afiri asokore na onum firi omudi ya sokore domtene brekum no beto omo so as terms na nanom nyina afiri asokore ho no mo firi ana omo bekekere onum kuro for military purposes asradwuma na otumfo poku adom betena ho because of the mafo no mututusi ankrofo so omu ni asate nti enene aye kuro betem kakraka onum to ho ewodu masefo na ewu afiri bantema ana obese ko bo na bra jama sa abra na jama fo yi won matutu ase ankrofo so omachi jama sika ho okodi sikadwa wo aba na omadoso na oma na wo fa se akwose bosomtwe ekotena odumasefo no enche pe ana onum soso eto aye wodumase aye den na namu kremu nkwase asemu akwa ensemu bia na muka sasabi asante no kura de beto so 16 asante anyini sin mu nyina esanse mu nyina mu emu nkro na woni mu nyina na mu Margaret ye na mu firi am ko ati nkro wono kwantwema ofiri bantema wo mu pa na wo mu kro ne bantema kwantwema won pa no mu kro ne bantwema ena obusa kwantwema ni se obo nton ba ye wontimi nka nkire eso mo yagonafo kwantwema fo yagonafo omo aye earlier settlers on betena ho so ena wokọ ekura fe japakrom frefre sumi nya santema so ena omo nananom ebesi kwotena bia efre honom akom afensa akomunya no ade eho goanfo na net ho ena migration sha asase a wonom so ede be fa akase ede be ankase ede be fa akomawu ena omo de betena ba bia onmiti ensemunu be na ekoso sa ha ensemunu be atebubu ofri adanse kokobi ante bonabon adanse kokobi ante kurofum ena ode betena asaman aguna saman asantema agura saman ho na otie ansa na o Margaret abesin akot ba bi otie na one guanfo no moto kokotokwa na omukasa bebu won krofo idie omo ye atia bebu fo omo tia bebu enne wo so omo nyina ye bonofo ade na mpese mu kremu aburu ni wuyase o aburu ni wiase ye wokro ye efe ne bono maso yes ye ni tribe anase bibia le kan group no efe ne bono ye ni bibia kan group because asante na sheda che so senti Oko achemu a, o se yenchem, let us divide. Into omo ye miensa, ana omo kopie ho. Omo nyina so migrate from ne, ensase a, wo hyehyɛ asante mu, adanse area, ena bi so fifiri, enkro dwabenom ne, ebinom fifiri, efense bekwai, na ebinom fifiri mampon, ena omo so kwatatra. So, it was yenchem, let us divide. Yenchem, mama yenchem, ena ya achem yenchem. Obi yenchem no obi antan ne de. So, enye tribe. Obi ankan hu mo nchechire bibia, na bibia e kingdom. Kingdom che say kings a ye dia bom je say girldom. E say amahudo ana say amayua eku. Tu don so kwa girls dormitory. Your house prophet. Just say this is how it is. You have lied throughout. A kingdom a eyabusu eku ba ko ase. Say aduanafo akwaji chiro mu kro say broma so. Yes say ebono kingdom. Kingdom no hefa na stand ko ye. Sa akomu kingdom. Akomu kro be no odi so. Wodi nkrafo akura so nkrafo be de be pa won fa wodi. Akomufo obedi akuapemfo so. Atimabu akwa e be pa fa wodi man. Na se ke betimi kura consider atimabu akwa sa ye kingdom. Because atimabu akwa wo kuntokwa etimi je baby e fro hono enne akuapem no ama ode no ofase ofori kuma ekotena wo muso di wo muso hene. Eti basically eye mienu omo 2 state omo atimabu akwa ana omo akuapem ti no eye 2 state e betima ka say eye 2 kings mienu 2 kingdoms. But modi na hefa na mo fa ne kingdoms no. Danchira is a kingdom. It says a danchira wadi akan kuro bebide so. Almost all that can state. Almost all that can state. So you can say danchira kingdom. And tia see wom adanse ye kingdom. Because adanse akan koni nyina efra danse. In exception of ebianafo and if you assume ya santemaso. Etiatro na mudi ni sa efiri yifa. And a kingdom. King ne bear in the can when I'm here dom no. King bear ne beka who a better to the kingdom. Where? In what history? Huh? In what history? Or say it wasn't only Achima Buakwa that defeated Akom respectfully. Or say respectfully. Maybe however, Achima Buakwa and our name Akom Koye. And or path ahudi edi ma enkwapem yeah corruption of word abe enkwapem echi please there wasn't any group ano mko it was Achima Buakwa ebi also so there one thing also hu ne say ade ba ko ahye no so ye pa ne say ne echi akomu ye state ne say Dieti akomu state ni say akom is by its own. Enkrofo afiri akom nebi ko sarma kase nebi ba barekase ma ban no efo no eye enkrofo omo ye na nadubofo asefo ya onum nyina nadubofo no wofa ne na temfo sarma kase na asase no buza se omo dia debi eye numfo nyanoade ye numfo asase Nyanuade yenumfo asase. Basically, Akomu can never be described as a kingdom, but a state. Because Akomu antimi estende. Akomu antimi estende ne biaye anko bebia. Anko bebia. Also check Danish history. No, Danish history cannot tell me that can will history. Danish history cannot tell me that can will history. Eniti adia ba ko so hye ne so ne say wo hye ya setena mu ne ya migration adia ba ko pe ena ye wo entitlement eye wo obusua clan na wo dem no clan na wo dem no will trace you where you come from and to do not let anybody take that from you and it's na me wo me ho sa agunani no because it give me that surety so obedient me deceive me. And mom surety and confidence. It gives me guaranteed. Nasa guide me to where I come from. So let Wabusu clan, Wakabua, let it be your priority. So be intimate deceive you. Obi biala ntimi deceive you. That would be the one reason. Yeah, wo obi kuram as your property and something that treasure to you most. Wabusua wo clan with them. And then oko akanfo okro bebre so a. And nam kasa ahodo se one language ahodo on bebre. A penetrate on kasa. Two konzima say ya. Abusua ko no the same thing. But more sounding of different languages. So that woko and baby a fan of Central Region. The 5 state of baby a fan of Bokam Fantifon almost sounding different, a little bit different. To say ya gonna for say, almost from an anofo. Woko Diana a achia bradefo. Woko ayokwa a additionafo. Woko asunafo a insunanafo. Oti a bit slight differences. That's so the same people. So do not let anybody take that birthright from you. And no one will be intimate friend the civil history. This is the secret I'm telling. Or be intimate friend the civil history that. Or clan with them will tell you your migration, will tell you your ancestry lineage, will tell you why your grandparents. What would you want to so baby tonight? Baby, baby. Do not let anybody deceive you. Do not let anybody deceive you. And to kwa wataya de to woni obintam akani bintam unia. Sheshe wo oni pakwa na busu odem na sheshe busu odem. Woni ye moja baako. Enta unia kani. Wa hwe be hiam. Obotom be dry because ebia na mufiri na baako. Ebia na munyina mufiri moja baako. Eti kasa na ukasa fa unia no ho. Wo domi wa ho na wo domi wa ho na wo ayane na ya no wo ya no ni me ya guna ni wo bedidi mi matam se me nananom na agimi na woni se yinyina nana na wudi natam na no me nkan no me be kan wo ya giana na obi ya twa abradini wo so ni asantini be wo musabusi odem wo so ya asantini to wo ya twa abradi wo ka ye se ne nananom ye mo ye ntienti abra wo ni nyina firi nana baako o ya twa abradini wo ya twa abradini aduana ni amwakare adna munyina mu fina na baako udi na tem se on the asantin na nanu enti na mwa eso ya twa bradini no me ya mo toma mu because of distortion of fake history ya chocho bubu ankubukum fake history ya record in the benefit of their own selfish interest ya na mu debate mu mu ya mu consider tribes amodem. Mun consider clients and mufri mubaye. Mun consider your forefather with your ancestral lineage. You don't even mind. Obiye or you kunu ya deshinani. Who catches a kwakubia? Nanim de yi. Aso ya deshinani. Kwakubia si for a motia. And then fine kosia. Aso be kwa ya deshinani. Or you kuni dishia na nanso mfri kwa mai. Ya kwakubia kwa na udi na tamno. Nena na ye wonana. Ube breast of her to the end. Una na no be domen amesika ma botom da. So learn. Sheshe ni paban ya wo ye. Neje kese hunu ni ani suade a ena ekoso. Na me tie akire na me hu kome na edi mu binom. Ni hia mu binom. Ani anwo kire won na mu generation we so a. Enye nothing than say mo nananom na asode atia mo. Mo nanan wo ye adwumaden so onye ye. Wo bra bibia wo ye bi ubo homoden wa kaseti ya wo nananom o memo wo bra because those days not there is discipline respect what the social media and abunofo and asantifo and enfanko se wo be bra because wo be di wo nananom atem wo be di wo matem fantini asantini moja ba kope munyina mo nanan ye nanafo mu fifi baabi ni nua ni wei na we akwa ha na we ni ma amagreti akwa ha atro bebre ya doso. So I'm just telling you to be very careful. Ebusua ko ni edem no wo passport o birthright o loyalty o priority ayo clan second o nana third obusua kraboa will let you know the people you are dealing with. You will not fall into any fucking history papers in anywhere. Because full of lies. For centuries. All because they want to bring Asante Kingdom down. All because they want to make sure. So, be a bit plenty Asante Kingdom. No, now Asante Kingdom, now nobody. This has gone from so many years. So many years. But you have not bothered to ask. Abusuakora with them. I hear no one for the buy. One nananom did the say. And was I say, and van the phone in what history? In what history? A year day, na chey. Obi o ye me ananoni, ede na me ananoni, ya agunani, me firibono. Ede na obi ya deshinani, o firibono. Adeshina fo nyina efe adansi efe nse beju. Mbetna kokofu betna se ene migration ni adade. Anything sheyi. This is your chance to repent. Sheyi. Did you attempt distortion? Now, Boone say people are just seeking for your support. And about some you can emotional blackmailing. Maybe to say a story admire. As you're blackmailing your feelings and emotion to have sympathy for somebody. And insult and curse your own generation. What a fuck. And then I course will be asking. Who cast some no be a crabia cofa or be book individual be. So ye professor or ye way no akofo ni book beka achiro abra na nanoma kan o masema to ya satam no eye trotititititri dia be pimne adai why so me yan me kun beto me se me kasa se obi a wo yale a wo free hospital aba ya many a bring me ho a me show what it that is what I tell you. Oh my God, hey, nanyo nanra dia at hospital yi. Anyawa, me say me call them say, darling, me pese me kwaka history. O say na o ka mentim. Ya na one team. Ye boko yare pa, say na usi yare me so mentim. And they say, ginger no ginger sa say Captain Planet no. Asimini. Everybody. E basa ne say any also there. Say na say me yale no, ya no ye duane. Why ye body the cobia to Sony contomely confa. We was what they say on me or wake up on ya. Some who said they're quite happy with female. I say we need. Say, dear, when you are told our water, some man tending into us and was over clammy. Hey, or Baba be cool. On your body, carry a kubo to say, boat to an uncle was sorry. Also, the body is so good consistent. Contumely no the copy. And me dakunyani my say you are you and Nanra, Kunyani Audo, and let them be woo. Plan up. Hey, everybody. Abiana for no fresh winya Santemaso. Abiana for nyina fresh winya Santemaso. I mean, one was said, the yes, a samba cosm. Unim. Maybe I say, Miss Asso, but Miss so be my main casacas. And yes, and me. About day. Any me conscious and me come to many me one. Me copy, and as me close her to another copy can say. Eba, you know, so we was it. Eba, I bet my bass will some question. With a question for Bushia Biaho. And they treaty about the distortion of blackmailing history to our beloved brothers and sisters. And they are from Infantifo. And Oka Central will be also Infantifo. Anyway, it is as well there. And there is what mean if you know. What a shameful history. She ask me questions. And me will Mati Manuel, you will talk about it. Maybe see.